What if the Bible became your child's favorite book? Are you ready for something new? At Safeliz, we are thrilled to introduce the Creative Kids Bible, a Bible designed especially for 7 to 12-year-old children, intended to provide a hands-on experience and motivate fun Bible study. Every aspect of this Bible was chosen to inspire and engage children to use their creativity and make the Bible their own. With its special paper, thicker and more resistant, and suitable for writing and coloring, it contains hundreds of activities to go deep into Bible stories. There are boxes divided into 8 categories all throughout the Bible, each presenting interesting facts, information about biblical times, prompts for active service, activities to complete, and much more. You will find 76 full pages to color and over 450 illustrations in the Bible. Also, there are special pages with craft ideas, recipes, and activities to complete, as well as 10 full-color infographics to learn more in a fun way. And there's more. At the end of the Bible, there are 450 stickers to complete challenges and motivate children to memorize and really study their Bible. Some of the stickers will go on the Bible pages, and some on the colorful maps included. And to encourage children to use their creativity and go an extra mile, this Bible provides 2 paper toys to assemble and many more accessible via QR code to print, put together, and play, recreating this way their favorite Bible stories. Bonus, there are 2 different covers for this Bible, and one of them was made for children to color it and take their creativity to the next level. By personalizing the cover, the Bible will become even more personal to them. Creative Kids Bible, designed to spark imagination, build faith, and transform children's relationship with Jesus, the best friend. Available both in English and Spanish.